In this video we will be looking at calculating descriptive statistics using the Excel Data Analysis Toolpak. Finding descriptive statistics in Excel is easy with the Data Analysis Toolpak. Let us look at an example with this data. To find the Data Analysis Toolpak, navigate to the Data tab. Next, choose the Data Analysis Toolpak option. As you can see, there are plenty of statistical tool options. Choose Descriptive Statistics. Choose the output range for the data. While you may choose a range in the current worksheet, you can choose a range in another worksheet or another workbook. Select the Summary Statistics to show standard descriptive statistics, followed by selecting your data for the input range. The mean represents the average value of the dataset. In this case, it is approximately 1.15, indicating the central tendency of the data. The standard error provides an estimate of how much the sample mean is expected to vary from the true population mean. It's a measure of the precision of the sample mean. The median is the middle value of the dataset when it is ordered. In this case, it is 0.465. Highlighting the center of the distribution and indicating that the data may have some skewness. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in the dataset. In this instance, the mode is at 0.25, suggesting a concentration of data around this value. The standard deviation measures the extent to which individual data points deviate from the mean. A higher standard deviation indicates greater variability in the dataset. The sample variance is the average of the squared differences from the mean. It quantifies the spread or dispersion of the dataset. Kurtosis measures the tailedness of the distribution. A positive kurtosis, 0.48 in this case, suggests a distribution with relatively moderate peakness compared to a normal distribution. Skewness measures the asymmetry of the distribution. A positive skewness, 1.26, indicates a longer right tail, suggesting that the data is skewed to the right. The range is the difference between the maximum and minimum values in the dataset. In this case, it is 4, providing an indication of the overall spread of the data. The minimum value in the dataset is 0.1, representing the smallest observed value. The maximum value in the dataset is 4.1, representing the largest observed value. The sum is the total of all values in the dataset. In this case, the sum is 18.33, providing the cumulative value of the dataset. The count represents the number of observations in the dataset. In this case, there are 16 data points. These descriptive statistics collectively provide a comprehensive overview of the dataset, summarizing its central tendency, variability, distribution shape, and range. Thanks for watching this video. For articles related to Excel, see the link in the description.